What's up guys, today I'll show you how to enable private album on Samsung One UI 8. You can see private album and you can click here, and inside private album you can hide your photos or videos. Okay, let's go. First open gallery, then tap on menu and tap settings. Now scroll down and tap on about gallery. Then tap version 10 times. Okay, now go back. Then scroll down and tap on Gallery Labs. Inside Gallery Labs, tap on Private Album and turn on it. Okay, now go back. Then reset Gallery. Now open Gallery and you can see Private Album, and you can hide your photos or video inside private album. Tap here, move to private album. Now tap here, and using your pin or your fingerprint to open. You can see. And that's it. Thank you for watching.